house. I'm trying to do more things, so I'm sorry about that. Actually, let's put more things. Laura, that's your room.
Where?
This one. This one is a room. This one is a room. This one.
Yay, so cute.
Yes, alright. I really like to put that cause. Come on. Let's see a new thing. There's a new thing here. Come on, here. Come.
Where?
I'm here in the kitchen. Look, there's this thing that's called pizza. Here, look. You can do muffin with this thing. Look. Press it. Look. You can do some muffin.
I really want it.
Do it.
No, I can't. I really want the castle.
Wait. Let me sit. Sit in the shirt. Sit in the shirt. Come on. No, come here.
This is your room.
Yes, the back one is my room. I'm gonna change it. So let me put some.
This is so boring.
What I can do here?
You can make the I don't know.
Wait, let me change the floor. I really like
I
it.
hate this bed.
No, shut up.
You can sleep here. Oh, yeah, like this.
Okay, let me put a wallpaper, like a pink wallpaper. I really like it. Okay, let's go. Okay, what should I put here?
You can put like
No, here. What should I put here?
you can put like a living room where people come to see TV.
I have a small living room. Like not a big living room, but I try to do a big room, but I can't. So, okay, now let's put the other one. I have a dance floor, a mini
Or
dance
you can do a random room.
like that. Now, like
I
put
really go to my house. Wait.
like that. Then I'm going to put. I don't have the TV here, right? I remember that. I put it here. Wait. Get the TV here. Thank you. Wait, let me see it.
Okay, I really like my house.
Me too.
I really want the castle.
We have to do it. We are doing this for all your fans and my fans.
I need a castle. The castle.
Remember, we're doing for the fans.
I really want a castle.
We're doing for us fans. We're doing for the subscribers.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Where? What happened? Wait, let me go to my friend now. Lara, what happened?
Oh, pixel.
Hey, why? I can teleport to you.
Okay, my house is
I'm going to her. Okay, wait. Here you go. I'm sorry about that. Laura. Hey you, Laura. Let's see. Hey, Laura. Hey, Laura. Okay, there, sure. Laura.
What?
No, okay. Let's see. Hey, wait. I really liked her house. Let me do a mini tour of it. Look, this is when you go here and you go here to the kitchen. Alright. Here, look the kitchen. Appreciate the kitchen. Now, here we have this, that those thing is there. Okay. Now we are in her bathroom. I really like the bathroom too. Here we have her brother's room.
Yeah, the bathroom.
Yeah, there you go. Look at the bathroom.
It's so cute.
Yeah, I know. Then we're going to my room and her room. Look, this is my bed with some poster of Team Peseta and Jennifer Summer, I think, and her like Jammy and Radio HD. Here we have the Supergirl Power rooms with Tiffany Bliss is a a good channel because I really like, and I'm experienced in her avatar. I really like her channel, and I'm subscribing to her channel, so that's why I really like this avatar. Do you love my avatar? Hey, do you love my avatar?
Yay.
Where are you? Oh, there you go. Here we have a party room. There you can look the episode of the floor. This floor is so yeah. Put a pink floor right now. This room needs a pink floor, Laura.
Okay.
And this one too. This one too. Cause we are girls, we are not boys. Thank you. Much better. Do you have a blue floor for your brother?
What?
A blue floor?
No, I don't.
You have to build one. It's just 100, but it's okay. How much money you have now? I have 1,596.
I have 1,330.
Hey, let's see your plants. Do you got all your plants?
And I think they'll let me.
No, you have 4 minutes for your plants and other 5 minutes.
Okay.
Her brother's playing. Her brother's gonna play Mid City, right?
Yeah, he's coming.
I'm going to my house to see how are going my plants. Okay, I have 4 minutes in all.
Where are you?
In my home. I'm going to your home. We are like too far. We're not close. We're far. I'm far of you.
Okay.
I don't know why I'm so far of you. Are you seriously? Lara, are you seriously?
Hey, I want to tell you a secret.
What is the secret?
I didn't know it.
What the heck is that? Hey! Oh, right. Is she in the game? Hey!
What?
Is she in the game?
I think Leah Cornelia is on the game. It's online.
She's in the game. Oh no, I hate that. She's your friend, potato lover? I'm going out of here. I really hate Leah Corniel. She's like the best. She's like she imagines she's the princess of the world, like the president of the world.
Okay.
And I really hate her. Okay, now I have 646. And you?
I don't know. I'm gonna tell you later.
Okay, yeah, we need to. Pizza Lover is online now.
Yeah.
We have to see something. Okay, let me see if your plans are already finished. Hello, Cami. Laura, you just have 2 minutes. Laura, you have 2 minutes in all your planet. In all your plans. 2 minutes.
Wait, I'm doing something.
Hey, buddy. I really like the name I put him because I say to your neighbor of Pizza Lover, Laura.
What?
Your neighbor of Pizza Lover.
What?
You're in the same line. You're in the same line. Pizza Lover is in the same line. Here, look. He's here. Wait.
Where?
Here.
Hey! Let's go to his house.
Hey, 1 minute. 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 1 minute.
Okay, let's go to his house.
Mine or him? House.
His house.
His house.
Yeah, his house. It's maybe down the maybe.
plants grow up. Sorry about that. It's her family, her brother talks Spanish, but forget about that. Okay? Hey, Laura. Laura. Sir. Hey, Laura, where are you?
I'm in Pixela's house.
Okay, I'm seeing if your plants grow up. 31 minutes. Your plants are in 1 minute. Alright. He don't talk too much. He don't talk Spanish. He don't talk English too much. So you know. Esta es la casa de mi novio. Okay. Oh, I really hate the banana. Ew. This house is a mess. Laura, let me see your flowers now. Laura, your flowers are done. Your flowers are done. Wait, I'm going to another girl house. Adri 5589. Oh, I really like the house because it's all like pink. I don't like the house because it's all pink and the pink is my face color. The color pastel too. Hello, buddy. I really like this room. She don't have a kitchen, but it's okay. You take your flowers? Do you take your flowers?
No, I'm doing something. I'm busy.
Check it out.
They put me out of the game.
What?
It put me out of the game. Wait a minute, I need to rejoin.
Okay. I'm gonna talk to some people, okay? I'm in the playground talking with some people.
Okay. Wait, I'm gonna help you. What?
I say hello.
Okay.
Hello? Hello, some people here? Hello? Hello. I don't know if it's a word. I don't know if there's another people in this game. Laura, you're in another server.
What? Join you.
Yes, join me.
Please.
What? Hey, at World is online.
What?
At World is in the game.
Call her.
Okay. Laura. Hey, Yato, we're playing. You're doing a video. Qué chulo. Oh my god. Hey, vamos con Anto, Laura. Vamos con Anto.